found this insane way for you to get up to $70,000 worth of ADHD support for free if you live in the UK. Let me walk you through this. So how can we make this happen? So step one is to check your eligibility. So you got to be 16 years or older. So if you live in England, Scotland, or Wales, you're going to love this. You have to either have a job, just barely be starting one, or be self-employed in the areas. And most importantly, you have to have ADHD and show that it can affect your job. You do that by clicking the link here. All these links are in the description below. You'll land on this gov.uk website. It has all the information you need to know so that you can find out if you can apply. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click on this button right here, apply for access to work grant. When you do that, you can go to check if you're eligible. You can also start online now and just get started. You'll go through a whole bunch of different questions, reject the cookies, go away. Next up, what you do is prepare the info. So you get your national insurance number, your workplace details, job description, and working hours. Again, I'm going to stress this a lot in the video. They're going to really care about this, how ADHD affects your work. Leading us to step 3, one of the exciting steps. If you live in the UK, like and subscribe to this video. And if you don't live in the UK, also like and subscribe to this video, please. Applying online, you fill out the online application form and you just be genuinely honest. How does your ADHD really make you struggle in the workplace? This leads to step 4, the assessment. So an access to work advisor will contact you once you do these things. They may arrange a workplace assessment. And again, you got to explain how ADHD coaching will help you with your ADHD, support you in the workplace. Leading to step 5, approval and finding a coach. So if you're approved, you'll receive a grant offer. Then you're going to research ADHD coaches. Now, from what I've seen with my client that reached out to me, you don't have to have that coach in the area. I live out in Washington State. Feel free to click the link in the description below if you want ADHD coaching. Happy to talk to you about it. But regardless, you got to make sure that this person is willing to work with access to work. Leading us to the last step, starting coaching. So you begin your ADHD coaching sessions. You keep records of the sessions and the progress. I don't think a lot of coaches do this, but for me and my clients and what I do is, as you'll see on the screen here, we track the metrics from session number 1 with your executive functioning so you can see and prove that you're improving. All of my clients have at least 2 to 10x their progress and their executive functioning. So make sure that you have some sort of records of these things. Then your employer may need to pay up front and claim back. So you just got to talk back with your employer. Don't talk back to them, just talk back with them. Now, if you have ADHD, this might be a great time to move to England. Just saying. Now, if you like this kind of information, you're going to love this video right here. From your friendly neighborhood ADHD coach with ADHD, I'm Nick McLaughlin. Later, neighbors.